if I can get home because all the roads are blocked off, so we're taking a bit of a shortcut through the middle of the field here. See how we go. Thought I might be able to get through there, probably not, I don't think.
Yep.
Oh, which way? Oh, no, I probably won't be able to cross. Can you cross up there underneath, or?
I don't know how deep it would be underneath. You can cross underneath normally. But
Normally? Where's it lead you to?
Actually,
I'm
not sure. I never actually leave the station, so maybe it actually doesn't.
Oh, I don't even know. I wonder if I go on the footpath up there, I might be able to get through. We'll see, eh? Oh. See ya. Oh, it's getting deep. No, that's my legs. Gotta head back. Right, now I've got to go back a few kilometres, I think. Right, if I go up the hill a bit, I think I can go up that way and maybe go around a long way, we'll see. This road's closed as well. Oh shit. Excuse me, does that footpath, is that closed as well, is it? Okay, thank you. You walked from Braybrook, did you? On the right
you
side?
Go for like a bit of it. No, we can't go all the way on the right side. We have to walk like a bit on the water there.
Okay.
Yeah.
So no cars going to fish.
Okay, but I'll be right in the
No, I'm just
bushwhack.
thinking like walking.
Yeah, because I've got to go to Braybrook myself.
You don't mind going on that grass?
No, my feet are already wet, so
Oh yeah.
cool.
Yeah,
Thanks,
good.
mate.
Then you have to go like around back there.
Around that? All right.
Go like that.
All right, no worries. All right, thanks, mate. All right, so some kids made it across, so we'll see if I can make it. Apparently, if you're walking, you can. So that's good because there was no, it's probably going to be 50 kilometres, I don't know, to get home otherwise. Let's see. Let's see, that's... And here. I think we're going to make it. Yeah, might have to do a bit of sneaky manoeuvring, but as long as the bridge is open, we are good. Not a car on the road here, because this road must be shut. It's all flooded up there. This is Footscray Park. Over there, Flemington Racecourse. It's flooded. And no one on this road. It's all closed off up there.